guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, this is number 3 for me today. And it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, I just decided I want to try and finish up some of these paints that I've used on my previous pour. And I didn't like what was going on here, you know, with the splitting of the paint. So I want to repour this. And I did prep my edges with some Artist Loft Flow White Straight. Now I am going to do, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. There's no plan. Probably the same as I might do a Wandering Ring Pour. Now I've kind of upgraded my colors. I haven't put any more pigments in them, but man, I gotta tell you, this one, this ruby, is so cool. I just love it. So most of these are just Modern Masters paints. I did mix up a little bit more of that dark blue, which I'll put that in the description. So here we go. And this white that I just made, well, I added to, has a little bit of Folk Art color shift in White Flash. And it has a little bit of the cloud mix in it as well. So I'm going to put this in the bottom a little bit, kind of mixing up, doing it the same type of pour, and then the gold, and then the ruby. Love it. Oh my God. And then back to the gold. And then the turquoise. And then some more white. Whoopsie. That's kind of sinking. And then the dark blue, which I love. And then, some gold. Some more of this lovely. I was going to put it in a 9-ounce cup, but I realized I had too much paint for that. Here comes, this is a really pretty color too. It's Amethyst from Modern Masters, which they had a sale. Oh my God, I got to get some more. So I'm putting, what do I want to put next to that? The dark blue, and then I'm going to do the turquoise. That's that for that. And a little bit of white. Oops, it's sinking. These colors are really thin. And then the gold. I love the white, the turquoise, and the gold next to each other too. It's really pretty. So we're gonna try, oh, see, it's not even staying on there. More of the white, more of the gold, more of the ruby, and we'll just do some of the purple, and then the dark blue. This is a lot of paint. All right, I'm gonna finish it off with the dark blue. So I still have a little bit of ruby left, a little bit of white, little purple. You know what? No, that's good. This is a lot of paint for this. So I am going to put down my cloud mix. I might not even be able to put all that paint down. That's ridiculous. It's too much. My cloud mix has been diluted a little bit because it was diluted, meaning I put in some extra Floetrol and some, I should have put this in a cup. Floetrol and Artist Loft White, because the Deco Art Satin Enamels was taking over. So there's going to be a lot of paint on here. I might not use that whole cup. It'll be interesting. Do a pour half and then stop it halfway through. Actually, I did one of those, and it's becoming my new business card / logo. And it's sitting in my bathroom. This cloud mix seems a little bit thicker. It's still gonna work though, trust me. That Deco Art Satin Enamels is something else. Just a dabble, do ya? I was using way too much in my previous pours, and I ended up with the cloud mix eating all the colors. And I'm a color girl. I like color. Phone is about ready to die. I had it on. Nothing's working for me today. My torches are not working. My phone is not charging, and I don't know why. Okay. And I hope my cloud mix works. Now, this was uneven before. What I did was I took these silicone mats, whoopsie, these silicone mats, and I doubled one up so that, and I actually did level it before I started. Entirely too much paint. There's not enough in the middle. How did that happen? I see a couple of ickies. Yep, there's a couple of them. One here, got it. One here, got it. All right, I'm gonna get the big torch out because the other ones have been giving me grief today. So, rinse my hands off. I'm getting smart. I got a towel right here. All right, torch this. I have enough paint for 2 of these. All right. This is going to be interesting. This obviously is my favorite color combination. I'm making a snake. Now see, I like the light colors. Let me put some of the light colors in here. I can do this. I'm allowed. This would be a good pour to do on a huge canvas, which that might be coming up soon. I used the whole freaking cup. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh. I said freaking. All right, I'm going to end it there. So, isn't that interesting? I'm going to let it sit for a minute, and then I'm going to torch it, and then we're going to move it. It's a lot of paint to move there. All right. Tip number 1, don't use that much paint. I have a feeling this might go south. I'm going to lose all the purple on the outside. Oh well. side. I like this side better, so I don't mind losing a little bit of the other side. We're gonna get some sales. Ooh, I'm liking it. I'm gonna go this way. I don't know that I like this thing now. I might try to oh Lord. Yeah, I have to get that off. I don't like it. You know, on my last piece I did, I mentioned something about seeing the frame. It wasn't the frame I was seeing. What I was seeing was the paint that I had painted the edges with. Ooh, look at that side. Oh, I might be playing with this one. Now, let's take a look at this. I just don't know. Oh, look, it's starting to develop already. If I'm going to move anything, I better move it now. I kind of like that white piece up at the top. Oh, my cells are getting wonky. See, that's what happens. I think I've got enough paint off. What happens is the cells start developing, and then you can't. Then if you start moving it, they get all wonky. So it's best to just try and tilt it as fast as you can. I guess I can say. These paints are probably a little bit thicker than used in the past, but I like this hazy over here. I just took my gloves off. Why did I do that? Because I still have to do this. Run my finger along the edge. Ooh, I'm kind of liking this. It's like granite of some kind. But I'll probably play with this. I am going to put you on time lapse, and because there's some things that are kind of I don't know yet. But then again, I could just leave it and let it do its job. So here we go. We're putting you on time lapse. Hey guys, I've got to go to sleep now, but this was fun. I really like it. Who knew something like this could come out of a cup? Look, oh, I hope it dries well. I think that's what any artist would say. We all say that, don't we? I hope it dries well. There's so much to look at. I'm excited about this one. So the cells are under control now. Pearls. Look at that. Don't drop the phone. And then I have this hazing going on up here, which is so cool. I love it. It might even develop a little bit more by morning. Oh, it's chilly back here. And I did all these little enhancements here. They look, I kind of want to say they're sea branches instead of seaweed. They're not really seaweed. I think that was taken by Nikki D. I love this. Look at that shimmer. Well, I hope my new formula works out because I've done 3 paintings today. Look at the dimension in that one, that branch right there. And this, I love putting turquoise next to gold. Just love it, as you can possibly see right here. And here. And here. I love, see, there were some pigments left in these cups, so that's why we have a lot of shimmering going on. As you can see, oh my goodness. That's my favorite corner, I think. Didn't even think about it until I saw it like this. But anyhow, I am tired and I could do these all night, I swear, and I have actually. So please be safe and create. Like, share, and subscribe if you care. Talk to you later.